Hi there, welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we made it home with the wrecker, and we still got that problem underneath the hood. She was making lots of noise when we loaded her on the trailer.
Sounds like you got an extra noise there, Mr. Hutner.
Yes, I think we're going to have to check the hydraulics in it. I think that's the clutch going out, or idler pulley or something. Shall we take a look? Oh, our idler pulley's coming off. And it's been hitting the back of our fan. Well, that might be okay. But we definitely have to do something about that idler pulley. All right, now I know what I need to do. Huh. I think just the nut came loose. So I looked all over at home and couldn't find the right size lock nut to put on that pulley. I'm on my way home from work now. We're going to stop at Menards and see if they have the right size lock nut to put on that pulley so we can fix the wrecker. Well, $1.36, that's going to break me, but I think it'll work. Okay. Let's get this tightened on here. Ooh. That doesn't work. We gotta have a collar or something. Well, I'm looking for that. Let's take a look and see how Gabe's doing on our Jeep build in Vegas.
Hey guys, Gabe with BSF. Well, we got over to DJB and picked up a bottle of nitrogen and a regulator, and with our ORI fill kit, we got this Jeep sitting at ride height. Looks pretty good. More to come.
Well, how was that? I think he's coming along pretty good. If you want your name on the Jeep, become a supporter. Check out the link in the description. Okay, I think we got it. Nope. I see. The bearing's locked up in this thing. That's what the problem is. So we're gonna have to get some bearings for this. Better knock those out so I can get some. Take the snap ring out. Guess I should have known it wouldn't be just as easy as a nut. Bit of dirt on that snap ring there. There we go. Oh, we gotta pound them out. There's one. There's two. Oh, yes. They are burned up. There we go. Well, we'll go get some bearings and be right back. Well, would you believe it? These bearings aren't available. I had to order them. They won't be here for a couple days. So it'll be a few days before we can fix the wrecker, but hopefully we get it fixed in time for our next event. But I was just informed that the horses need a bale of hay, so we got to fire up Big Bob and give them a bale of hay. my chores are done for the day. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.